Hello and welcome back. This morning I'm going to share with you the tips on how to replace a pump on Breville Infuser. And the reason I replaced the pump in first place, so I purchased this used. I assume, according to the previous owner, that was brand new. He only used a few times, but when I start using it, whenever I pull the shot, it's not strong like my Barista Express. So here's what happened. Take a look. As you can see, the pressure was good. Okay, the 12 o'clock pressure, but I ended up timed out. I mean, pretty much I was extracting about a minute, and I only got about 30 grams. So two things can be true, which means I have a bad pump, or I have my grinder settings too fine. But I know it's not the grinder setting because my coffee wasn't that bitter. So which means only thing I can tell is the pump. At the same time, the pump is only like $25 at Amazon, so it was pretty low investment for Breville Infuser. So that's the reason I decided to replace the pump. So right now I'm going to share with you the location of all the screws, and then I'm going to share with you some tips when I open the back panel. I'm going to show you where is all the screws located. So first, one is right there. That's one. Number two, if you remove the temp, right underneath. Hopefully you guys can see it. But inside, that's number two. Once you remove the water tank, you're going to see 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7 volts. And then another volt. You have to remove the plastic cap. Inside has another volt there. So that's number 8. And then 2 more volts. If you flip this thing over, and you're going to have 2 more volts besides underneath as well. So overall, process is pretty simple. If you search for on YouTube, Breville Infuser pump replacement, and they have a great video on it. Overall, very simple. But so here's the old pump. I took it out. The main problem I had, pretty much removing these clips right here. Those clips, they look easy, but some reason I have really hard time removing it. That one's easy. So this one's easy, but those two are a little difficult. So just make sure, take your time to remove it. Okay, so take your time to remove it. And overall, pretty easy process. It wasn't that difficult, but again, just make sure have a little patience with it. And just only hard part was I thought just removing the clip. And other than that, very simple. So now we replaced with a new pump, and let's pull another shot. I'm going to do exactly the same thing. Okay, I'm going to do the exact same setting as my Mazda Mini before, and I'm going to use same beans. This is a Starbucks beans. This is a Veranda blend. It's called Blondie roast. Blondie roast means they say it's the light roast, but it's more like medium roast. wow, what a difference in shot quality. I think definitely that pump worked. So I mean, it smells really good. Again, so this is not a fresh roast like, you know, Good Brothers, but still, for the money, so far I'm really enjoying the blondie roast. Even the Starbucks said blondie is more like light roast. Again, that's more like medium roast to me as personally. So anyway, let's give it a shot. Cheers. It's not bad. Okay, I'm very pleased with their blondie roast. So I mean, it'd be interesting to compare their veranda blend versus blondie veranda blend. I don't know. I think I saw they have two different packages. So I think this is pretty good success, the replacing the pump. And the shot was a little longer than I like to be. That's about 42 seconds. That's including the free infusion. So if I'm going to adjust my grinder setting a little coarser, I think I'm going to get the better shot out of it. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Again, the overall process was pretty simple to replace the pump. Just make sure, be careful removing the connectors. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and see you guys next time.